Maha Cartoon TV.
El Cuckoo, Cannibal Mother. Ronald lived with his wife Karina and daughter Rosie in Mumbai city. He had his own business. He was a manufacturer of dolls. Christmas was coming. Therefore, he made a special doll for her daughter Rosie, which was the same height of Rosie. Rosie got very happy after seeing that doll. She started keep that doll with herself. Ronald and Karina were very happy to see their daughter so happy. Rosie had a phobia from darkness. Due to this, she couldn't sleep in the dark. Therefore, her parents always had to keep the lights on. But after getting that doll, now she is always happy and active. That was not enough. She also got rid of her fear of darkness from her mind. One day, her parents saw her talking to the doll.
Okay, fine. I'll talk with Mom, Dad. Now please don't do this. Don't be sad.
My dear Rosie, whom are you talking with?
Daddy, Cuckoo is angry with me.
Cuckoo? Who's that? Rosie calling her doll by the name Cuckoo. She said that the doll told Rosie her name Cuckoo. Rosie's parents started to laugh at her innocence. They thought these things might be her imagination. After that, Rosie said something else.
Daddy, Cuckoo is angry with me. She's saying that she feels alone in this house. She wants you to organize a party for her. And she wants to invite all my friends too.
Ronald thought maybe Rosie is feeling alone herself. Therefore, she is demanding a party. Ronald agreed with his daughter and he said yes for the party. After that, Rosie said,
Daddy, Cuckoo is saying that she wants only children in the party.
He felt weird after hearing this from his daughter. So, Ronald asked her, Only children? What does that mean?
Cuckoo likes only children. She only wants children in the party. No elder people for enjoyment.
Ronald felt strange after hearing this, but he ignored that. All were busy in the Christmas preparation, but suddenly, some horrible things started in this city. There were reports of missing children from the whole city. Police cars were everywhere. Imposed curfew to investigate children. But suddenly one day, looking at the bad condition of a child's dead body, everyone was shocked. Nobody was able to find out who was doing creepy things with children. On the other hand, Rosie was in bad condition. Her health was getting worse suddenly. Due to curfew in the city, she wasn't getting treatment properly. Ronald and Karina were giving her treatment by the help of home remedies. But Rosie wasn't feeling better. In spite of the bad condition, Karina and Ronald organized the party so that Rosie could feel better. The day was Christmas. They invited children in their house for the celebration. There was a chirping sound of children in their house. Everything was going well. But suddenly, police came over there in a very short period of time. Ronald got scared after watching the police. Policemen said something scary to Karina and Ronald that they were stunned to hear. A camera was in the hand of the policeman. Some kind of footage was in that camera. No one could understand anything watching that video. Actually, that was Rosie's video. In that, she was eating the same child's body parts, which police found recently. But how it could be possible that a 3-year-old girl can do a murder and eat a dead body? Ronald and Karina became stunned to know that.
No, it can't be possible. Rosie can't do this. She's only a child.
No one can understand anything. But by looking at the evidence, the case was pointing out to somewhere else. Ronald was scared. He felt like his daughter's mental condition was not good, but the police had to do their job. For that, they needed Rosie, so that they could do their investigation. After which, they started going inside the room. But all of them were shocked to see the condition of the room. Ronald got terrified to see all these things. His eyes were looking for his daughter Rosie. Ronald started moving forward by crossing the dead bodies. Rosie, a 3-year-old girl, was dead. But if Rosie was killing people, then who killed her? Situation was becoming more complicated. Suddenly, Ronald looked at the doll, and near that, there was something written in the big words, El Cuckoo. By seeing the name El Cuckoo, Karina became terrified, and she said,
Our city is in big trouble. El Cuckoo. El Cuckoo is not a human being. It's a monster. We have to do something soon.
Ronald was depressed after losing his daughter. He became more terrified of hearing his wife. On the other hand, the police left after knowing the name of El Cuckoo. They decided to hide this horrible carnage from the people of the city. Ronald was still unaware of the identity of El Cuckoo. After that, Karina told him about it.
El Cuckoo has no identity. It's unidentified thing. It can be present now, anywhere, and it can be anyone. It can be either you or can be inside of me. It can steal anyone's form and can get anything from them. Same thing has happened with our daughter. This monster has controlling her for a long time. Inviting children to the party wasn't her demand. That thing wanted this. It likes to eat. It likes to eat kids' body parts. Therefore, it invites kids today so that it can eat their meat.
Karina was just saying all this. Suddenly, the lights of their house started flickering. The room became dark after a while, and Ronald's screaming sound came from the darkness. After a while of silence, lights got back in the house.
I just told you. It can be anyone. It can be anything. It can be you. Or can be me.
If you enjoyed this video, Do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.